Alright. Hi, welcome to Covertám. I'm Keith Colbert, and this is Casey's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a pulled pork. I know you're thinking, yeah, you did a pulled pork before. I did. But after reviewing the video multiple times, it was me most of the views, so I'm going to do a better one, something you and your guests will truly enjoy. What I'm going to do first is put my rub together. Now you can use all kind of rubs if you want to get a commercial rub, or you can just mix something with your own flavors, just like I'm going to do now. I've got some brown sugar and bourbon, so I'm going to dump that in my bowl, and I just want to make enough to cover that roast. It's about a 3.5 kilo Boston butt. I'll put plenty of that in there. Got mustard here that I'll coat that. Put some more paprika because it gives it a really good color. Today's wood I'm using is a cherry mix, so it makes it a little more red too. Really comes out very beautiful. A little bit of salt, probably about a tablespoon. Kosher salt, of course. Black pepper. Tablespoon and a half because I like the pepper. It's got a good thing. Let's see, what else do I have here? Got some garlic powder. Oh, bump it up a notch. A little bit of chipotle chili. This is nice, really smoky. I'm going to mix this up a little bit with my hand and smell it. See if that's really what I'm wanting to put on that beautiful piece of Boston butt there. Too easy to do? Yeah, this will work. Now, you know, sometimes you can put too much salt. You know, if you don't like the salt, back off on the salt a little bit and use your other spices. You can use some thyme or rosemary if you want to put in there. Goes great with pork. So really your rubs are up to you. There you go. Can you see that? Joan and say. I can already tell it's going to be macizo. Roast ready. I'm going to take this piece of paper towel off. Remember, when it comes to meat, number one rule, dry, dry, dry. So. I guess that's why you call it a rub. That looks pretty good to me. My grill's preheating right now, and this thing is ready for the smoke. We'll be right back. I've got my probe. I'm going to put it on. I'll stick the probe in and get this thing ready. Should be on for about 3.5 hours till it reaches the internal temperature of 130. That's what we're looking for. Our grill is set at 250, so let's get this thing working. Okay, you ready? Okay. Hello. Looking good. 안녕. You don't want to hit the bone with this, so about the most meaty part. There we go. 안녕. All right, my probe, when it gets to 130, I'll pull it off, wrap it, and then finish the cook on it. We're looking about 3.5 hours. See you later. My grill's at 260. But I'm gonna check the probe. Probe 1, 135. Just slip my probe out. Looking good. See it? Smells unbelievable. And that smoke, that cherry wood smoke, you can see the cherry color. It looks like a deep red wine. Ooh, so nice. I'm gonna take it off now. Just let it rest a few minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up in aluminum foil, put it back on, and finish this thing up. Wow, this is gonna be nice. Okay. Ready to go back on?
아니야. 좋은 냄새. Bye-bye.
Grills at 263. Mash the button. The meat probe 1, 196.
안녕하세요.
Come on, baby. There you go. All right, let's see if it's ready. Ooh, 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 ooh. There you go. All right. Very good. Perfect. All clean. That's what you cut off. It's hot. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. I guarantee it. Just wait. Wow. You should be here. This is unbelievable. We're going to enjoy this tonight. Hey, pulled pork, too easy. You're going to love this recipe. I guarantee you. See you next time on Casey's Kitchen. Corbett, out of here. Oh, it smells great already. I think I have to get 2 pieces.